Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Yes, it's amber that I go through there, and yes, you are supposed to stop at amber, but as I keep saying, only when safe to do so. You'll see now when I go to the rear view camera as to why I went through it. See this guy here behind me? He's on his phone. I know he's going to put his foot down. I just know. But what I didn't expect was this next. One hand still on the phone chatting away, and a one-handed U-turn in his little truck, whatever you want to call them things. Now look at the time and the date here. Now less than an hour later, on the same junction, same date, same junction, I get this. It's not the same vehicle though. I really thought it was the same vehicle when it happened. We're looking at the white BMW in this clip.
Expecting to possibly be a technical director or director of rugby or something like that with Australia at some point.
That there is not part of his car. That there is his mobile phone. Now a car like that has got the technology to not have a phone in your hand. It will do it automatically hands-free. Why are you that lazy to set that up or use it? And again, as I've always said, why are people on the phone always in that overtaking lane?
Australian rugby's been in the doldrums, and he's going to have a really strong reign about realigning the way that Australia rugby works. He's very
and as we go to the front, you can just about see his phone just there.
That kind of thing. And it's for this World Cup in France. It's for the Lions tour when the Lions go to Australia in 2025. That's Army Reserves. Buy a used car from Arnold.
Now this clip, I can't quite get through that gap without getting in everyone else's way that's coming towards me. But we're looking at the very last car coming towards us that just don't get it. It's driving it so slow, it cannot see me and all the cars behind me. It's just poodling along in a world of its own. Look at that. Nice one, mate. Thanks. Someone that just hasn't got a clue what's going on around him. Like this idiot. And we got the 3-point turn debate again. Should he have done that there, or should he have used that service road to the left hand side of us there, where all them cars are parked, where he would have come out where that car's coming out there? I think that was the safer option to do that. Mirror, signal, manoeuvre. Now I know that they've got priority, but why not look anyway? Just for your own safety. Love it when they just don't look at all. Now we're coming up to these lights that turn red. Now it's a cycle lane as well, so the cyclist isn't doing anything wrong, but the lights are still red.
Approaching a level crossing.
What is taking the time without, I know you don't want to sort of veer into too much technicality.
Now pedestrians again. Them barriers there are supposed to make you go round there with like that arrow and cross there. That's what you're supposed to do. This idiot has come round the wrong side of the barriers to cross. But my question is, when we go to the rear camera, why didn't they have the barriers the same way there? Why have they not gone round the corner so that makes him go to the drop curb? Let us know in the comments. Now we're looking at this car over here. It's very difficult to see this one, but he's coming up to a zebra crossing with someone at the zebra crossing. But he ain't stopping. Today's highway code rules is you are supposed to stop.
Zebra crossing again.
I mean, he has become one expensive luxury.
Just another red light jumper, which I might say is on the up. A lot of cyclists have a pop at me, and yes, I've got to agree, cars and vans and stuff like that are going through red lights a lot more than what they used to. Now, anyone that saw my video on the sat navs telling you to be in the wrong lane, this car up here that's turning right, he wants to take that next left that was in that video, but he's in the outside lane. I wonder, was he on sat nav, Waze, or Google?
Interesting. I wonder if he was on the sat nav.
How fast the crossing? Where are you walking to? The crossing?
That is not the crossing, mate.
Right, we're on the good old M25 again. We're looking at that lorry there. You've had so much time to get into the correct lane. He doesn't want the slip road. I know it's a foreign lorry, but really, your concentration's got to be better than that.
Army. Recruiting now. Search. Army reserves.
Now, when I come up to this dust cart, I really thought it was backing into something. As they do, they stop the road. Quite rightly so, because it's a big vehicle. But it wasn't. It was doing a 3-point turn down a busy main road. Should he be doing that there?
I thought you were backing in. It's another 3-point turner. There's nothing to back into. But I thought he was doing. He's done another 3-point turn in the middle of the road. The debate continues.
Now on this road there's a horrible pinch point caused by parking on both sides of the road. Coming towards us is also a bend as well, so they come around there quite fast. But it's totally not helped by idiots that park on these roads, that do this. How can you be that unaware of what's going on?
Clueless, some people. Absolutely clueless.
We're looking at this little car here. I mean, it's amber already. We had plenty of time to stop. I know the road is a little bit damp, but there was still plenty of time to stop, really. No one was behind it, or close to it behind. Now on this road here, over there you've got 2 lanes, which go into 1 lane over here. So that van is going to be sharpish away. It doesn't help when someone goes through a red light the other way. Here's a clip for you petrol heads again. That little car over there. Little car, but expensive car. And fast car, as you'll see in a minute.
I don't think I'll try and race him.
And it will not appeal to the Tottenham fans. It doesn't play into the narrative of that we must throw everything at it, put all the money to do it.
He might have been going over the speed limit, which is 60, and I'm doing 60 now.
Tragically, it's a situation where, in order for them to
All right, just presume we were winning all the time.
We're looking at the lorry in this clip.
Doesn't really matter as long as we peak at the World Cup and we've got the Ashes first, right? So the key
As you
is
can
to
see,
get
the
these
motorway's
fast
starting to bunch up a little bit.
fit and well, and so we've got good variety, even though it's at home, right? So you
But does he
imagine
really
Anderson
need to
will
be
still
this close?
kicking about, and that ball will swing about, and you know, because we got humiliated in the last Ashes, and I know it's very hard to win away from home, and it's different at home.
That
That's
close.
the key, right? It's
You have
peaking
to
at the
be
right time.
that close to everything.
And I think you can't read too much into just
Before
on the,
moving
you
out.
mentioned there, the 450 over.
Numpty.
You're absolutely right, but you can't read too much into that because since the
Now I get accused of stereotyping people and cars. This one would have fooled me. There is no way on earth I would have thought he would be doing what he's doing.